Gold traded bearish yesterday, hitting the lows at 32.90, and today again it has started the day on a slight bearish note before recovering. We have seen it moving all the way towards 32.74.75, while silver struggled to stay below 32.20. What to expect today, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Those who had watched the yesterday's update, I have very clearly mentioned that gold is struggling on the upside, and there is a very clear indication that we are looking for a down move here, and once it stays below 33.80, you can just stay short for a massive move. What has happened? 33.20 levels which we had shared has been achieved, and in fact it has moved the next target zone 32.80 as well. I hope you all profited. Thus, if you appreciate the effort, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, friends. That's the greatest motivation for me to deliver consistently. Share it across with your friends. Join the free Telegram channel if you like the market updates live, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. That is the biggest support for me, and you can also appreciate the effort by using super thanks. Let's start. First we look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. Now first let's have a look at gold on the hourly charts. Moving averages crossing over here. Look at the slope here, look at the divergence here. Certainly it's a bearish sign. This very clearly suggests that now 33.50, 33.70, this is the zone gold would not like to break here. Yes, 33.50, 33.70, this is the zone which gold would not like to break, and yes, if it does, then we can just stay bullish. That is pretty clear. A little far beyond levels, but achievable as well. So this is the zone which you should watch out. That is the first thing. Second thing, what it has done here, look, after this drop, retracement towards 20 period, and yesterday what did we discuss? That see, after consolidation it is giving a breakout, but the prices here has breached the 20 and 50 period moving average, and hence this breakout is a false trap. It could possibly reverse. This is what is the beauty of technical analysis. After the drop, retracement towards 20 period, after the drop, retracement towards 20-50 period moving average and lower low. So what it is trying to do, it is trying to create another bearish channel, and it is trying to create a broader bearish channel like this. The highs of the channel somewhere here at around 33.40, the lows of the channel towards 32.50, 32.40. So let's have a further look. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has seen sharp bearishness. It is willing to converge crossover for a buy. Right now it is still staying on the sells, but the chances of a crossover on the buy side edges is strong, which suggests a possible up move. The RSI is flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, reversal sign on the 2 hour charts, and this indicates that now first resistance zone, the imminent resistance for gold is at 32.25, and once that is 33.25, and once that is taken, 33.40 is the first target, 33.50 is the next, and then beyond that it should be a reversal. Right now it is struggling here. Also notice, see, this is important, none of the candles closed below 3300, making it a very good support. Stochastic rising, the MACD has seen sharp bearishness, the RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts you can see this trading with lower highs and lower lows, and yes, it is very important for it to break beyond 33.25, which will confirm the further up move here. Right now I will not say this is turning sharply bearish, but look at the formation here. See, first drop, then this is the long term move here, and then bearishness, retracement. Now what it is looking forward to, it is looking forward to lower lows. Lower lows means 3100. Closer of the day, where it closes today, is going to be very important. Be mindful of this. Where it closes today is going to decide the future for the coming week. It might open with a gap down for the coming week as well. This is something you should keep a note of, or it might start the week on the bearish note. If at all gold closes towards 32.40, 32.50 today, the coming week is going to be a strongly bearish week. MACD looking downwards, RSI comfortable. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See, my very point is this, that it is finding 3300 as a good support, 3280 is the next support zone. So now see, also the resistance here is pretty clear, and hence till 33.25 I'll not recommend you to buy. And now the possibility is high that we will see gold moving all the way towards 32.70, 32.50 zone, and then 32.40. These are the support levels which it needs to break in order to turn bearish. Notice what's happening. This is what's happening here. Connect the lows, connect the highs. This is how gold has been trading. The lows here are far below towards 3100. Stochastic at bottom, MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI has dropped. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, one important observation, consider this as a reversal. Divide this into two. Yes, divide this into two. See the symmetry here. Now lower lows are done, lower highs. Now today, if it trades below 3270, today, if gold trades below 3270, it should deliver a massive move here. Be careful, be watchful, but only and only if it trades below 3270, we can expect 3240, 3250 as the first target zone. And once it trades below 3250, 3240, in the near term, what we are looking at, we are looking at extreme move on the downside. Be careful, be watchful. And that is why I say where it closes today, it is going to be of prime importance. Now, let's focus on some bullish part of it. It is finding 20 period as a very good support. Yesterday, what has happened? It has kissed 20 period and bounced back on the upside. Today, it has started the day on a flat note and traded bearish. Certainly, it is very, very important for gold to trade below 3280, 3270, first support zone, 3250, 3240, the next support zone. Once these two levels are taken, remember this is symmetry we are talking about. See, this is inclined and this is symmetry. Look at this candle, look at this candle. So symmetry and lower lows means where the prices are going to be, you can see yourself. Stochastic looking down, MACD is trading bearish, RSI is dropped. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels. By this analysis in this 5 minutes, you yourself have concluded what I'm trying to say and what could the market do. This is the beauty of sharing the things with ease and understandable, making things understandable so that you can yourself become an analyst. And yes, you can become a pro by joining my mentorship batch. 33rd batch is announced for first week of June. Register yourself now. Do not miss this opportunity. Don't be the rest 99% who first loses in markets and then invest in education. Join the mentorship batch, connect with me, write an email, ping me or telegram for your queries. And now see, you can also be part of my signals channel on telegram. Yesterday was one beauty. I have mentioned in my signals channel very early in the day, sell at 34.13, 34.15, and the target is going to be 33.26. What a beautiful day. That was the first target. Directly gold moved towards 33.20. And then later in the day, 32.60 we sold, 33.60 we sold, and then the targets were towards 3300, 32.90. Beautifully, these are done. And you can be part of my signal channel. And very, very important to have a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now let's talk about the levels to buy. The only buying entry now I'll recommend for gold is at 33.25. Yes, these are far beyond levels because right now it's at 33.08, but while you get this video, possibly it might be at 33.25. So that is the only buying entry I will recommend. And once it trades beyond 33.25, I will expect it to move towards 33.36, 33.42, the first target zone. Once it trades beyond 33.42, we can expect 33.54, 55 as the next, and 33.70 the third. If at all gold trades above 3370 today, do not think of selling gold. Yes, if at all gold trades beyond 3370, stay bullish for 3400 plus levels. That is the first part to it. I do not expect this to happen, but yes, these are markets beyond you and me. On the downside, sell at 3298. And if you see gold trading below 3298, 3288 first, 3270 the second. And if it trades below 3270, stay short. This zone between 3270 and 80 is very crucial for gold here. Once it stays below 3270, the lending has to be towards 3250, 3240, the first target zone, 3220 the next, and then 3200 should be breached. Yes, and this should be the beginning of the correction here in gold, where 3200 should be the first milestone, the major milestone which it would like to break for it to keep moving towards 3100 levels in this month of May itself. But these are far beyond. Let's focus on today, and where you have to watch out 32 70 80 on the first support zone, 32 40 50 at the next. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to silver. Silver did not show any major move, and as usual silver stayed and contained itself in a range bound zone. Look at the move here. Moving averages crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. See, it has formed a very good support at 32.20. And yesterday I have mentioned, see, 32.20, 32. This is the most critical zone which silver need to break. And once it trades below 32, there is no looking back. No looking back means we will look forward to 31.40, 31.50 and $31 levels as the next target. See, moving averages crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. Look at the 20 period, offering it a very good resistance, and thus today again, if you see silver above 32.60, that is the lower price above 32.60, you can buy for 32. Uh, See, 32.60 should be a very good resistance. 32.75, $33 levels is extremely strong resistance. And if at all it trades above 33, that's the time of reversal. I do not expect this to happen. Let's wait which direction it takes. 30 to 20 should offer a good support, and 32 is an extremely strong support. Stochastic looking down, MACD almost flat. It does not mean it cannot cross over and move lower. Yes, it can. RSI almost flat. Coming to 2 hour moving averages crossing over here, trading with divergence and bearishness, lower highs here, flat bottom here. See, now connect this. Let's see this. This is what silver is doing. Narrowing triangle with flat base. It suggests that the downside support is getting stronger, while on the upside there is a push, and hence the direction it breaks out is going to be important. So let's wait for it to break below 32.20 and 31.95, $32 levels. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is dropped here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, very very important. This is what silver is doing here, and it is important for silver to come out of this narrowing triangle, which indicates either silver should trade above 33 or to trade below 32.20 and 32. Look what has happened here. Hitting the lows, it is trying to bounce back. The next candle is going to be important, which could be a breakout candle here. Be mindful of this. Right now, it is not suggestive of any such move. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trading bearish. The RSI is flat. On the 4 hour chart, notice this on the 4 hour charts. Moving averages crossing over here, flat base, lower highs. Let it break out either which ways, and then we can expect the correction. Now, large term, long term, what we have seen. See, 32 is another support which it needs to break, because once silver comes out of this, we are heading into a massive correction here. Be mindful of this. We are heading into a massive correction below 31.40, 31.50. The probability will be very, very high that silver will move towards 30 and 28. Stochastic is comfortable. The MACD has crossed over for the sell. The RSI has dropped. Signs are still bearish. Coming to daily charts, when you look at the daily chart, on the daily chart, similar observation here. See the flat base here. This is very crucial for silver to break, and see what's happening. Drop, retracement, lower highs. But this triple bottom is a crucial thing for me, because it has to break below this 32.20 and 32. Once silver trades below this, then you can just stay short 31.50, 40 or 31. Now on the daily charts, this is what I am trying to say. This is what I'm trying to show. This is what we are looking at, and hence you have to watch out. Stochastic looking down, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. So looking at this, what I'll recommend you to buy silver if you see it is staying above 32.60. When you see the lower price above 32.60, that is the only point above which you can initiate a buy. And this is going to be riskier. Yes, it is going to be riskier as long as 33.10 is not taken, and then 33.25 should come into picture. So buying at 32.60, stay. See, you can find the first resistance, first target should be 32.75.80, 33.10 next, 33.25 third. If these three are taken, close your eyes, stay bullish. It's a green day. It's a green day for you to move all the way towards $34 levels, chances for which appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry here at 32.20. When you see the higher price below 32.20, stay short. Stay short for what? Stay short for 32. 31.95 first target zone, 31.75 the next, 31.40 the third, and 31 the fourth. Below 31, it's a mayhem. 30, 50, $30 levels should be there. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.